Hi, are you getting ready for Christmas? You see my tree? Look at my antlers. I'm ready for Christmas. I got two little friends here. These are my elves on the shelf. They wanted to say hi. Hi, everybody. Hello. Get ready. It's almost time. I'm going to read a book today. It's called Christmas with Peppa Pig. Do you like Peppa Pig? She's getting ready for Santa to come down her chimney. Oh, it's time. It's Christmas Eve. Peppa, George, and their friends are writing letters to Santa. I can't wait to see what Santa brings us all, says Peppa. Everyone is excited. Oh, I wonder what they'll get. That afternoon, Daddy Pig buys the biggest tree he can find. Daddy, it won't fit in the car, says Peppa. I'll just have to try to get it home, says Daddy Pig. Daddy Pig carries the tree uphill and downhill all the way home. The tree is heavy and it takes him a long time. Poor Daddy Pig, he's worn out. Daddy Pig finally makes it home. Let's decorate the tree, says Mummy Pig. They add colorful ornaments and Daddy puts a shiny star on the very top. Oh, everyone gasped. The tree looks beautiful. I'm sure your tree looks beautiful too. Papa and George leave a snack by the fireplace for Santa. Time for bed now, says Daddy Pig. Santa won't come unless you're asleep. Peppa and George are tucked up in bed when they hear a loud thump. Uh-oh, it's Santa. He can't get down the chimney. He has to go through the front door. Oh no, Santa. Peppa and George race down the stairs giggling. Hello, Peppa and George, cries Santa. Merry Christmas now. Off to bed so I can deliver your presents. Peppa and George don't want to leave Santa, but they do want presents. They go back upstairs to sleep. Hooray, it's Christmas morning. George gets a toy train and Peppa gets a yo-yo. But Peppa and George's favorite present of all was seeing Santa. This is the best Christmas ever, says Peppa. You see the train? George has a train and she has a yo-yo. The end. Okay, so today I have some cards. I want you to help me count. Are you ready? Okay, so the first one we have is number 1. 1. 1 dial. Can you help me count? Put your finger on it. 1. All right. What's next? 2. What are those? Bunnies. 2 bunnies. The number 2. Can you help me count? 1 bunny. 2 bunnies. 2 bunnies with fluffy furry ears. 3. 3 robots. Help me count. 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 3 robots. 4. 4 butterflies. Ready? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 butterflies. What are those? Balloons. 5 balloons. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons. Thank Thank you for helping me count. Now, I need you to help me with some colors. Can you help me? Like my head? All right, here we go. What color is this? Green. Green. Can you say green? Green. Green like my Christmas tree. Blue. Can you say blue? Blue. What color is this? Yellow. Can you say yellow? Yellow. What's next? Red. Can you say red? Red. Oh, what color? Black. Can you say black? Black. Oh, here's one of my favorites. Purple. Purple. Can you say purple? Purple. Pink. Can you say pink? Pink. Brown. Can you say brown? Brown. We'll do one more. Ready? Orange. Can you say orange? Orange. All right. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Take care.